All right, so you just got your Jeep lifted, you got bigger tires, and you notice that your Jeep is slow from a red light, doesn't seem to hold gear on the highway like it used to, or when you're off-roading, you can't quite climb like you did when the Jeep was stock. That's because of your gearing. Your gearing didn't change mechanically, but it did when you put larger tires on. And to correct that, you re-gear it. That puts your torque back in the range that it should be. It makes your transmission work the way that it should, and it keeps all of your drivetrain systems happy. So why Tribe16 for your ring and pinion install? There's a lot of shops out there that install ring and pinions. Tribe's been in the racing industry for a long time, and they've learned the ins and outs of gearing under harsh environments and know how to apply that knowledge into your street-driven vehicle so that the gears last a good long time and you don't have to